Honor, one of the leading smartphone brands' new flagship tablet, which has been named the Pad GT Pro. The Honor Pad GT Pro was released with a massive battery, an IMAX enhanced display for a better movie experience, and powerful hardware. All of this is being offered for a budget price, so here's everything you need to know. The tablet has been launched in the Chinese market, and it was launched alongside the Honor X60 and X60 Pro. The company has been bringing a host of premium features to its latest launches, including features like a high refresh rate OLED display, a powerful processor, and a large battery life. The Honor Pad GT Pro comes with a 12.3-inch OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, and will have a 3000 by 1920 pixel resolution and 290 ppi pixel density. The display further supports IMAX Enhanced, achieving a peak brightness of 1600 nits. It is designed with an 8-speaker setup, providing immersive 3D spatial audio for an enhanced media experience. The tablet is powered by the Snapdragon 8X Gen 3 chipset, offering up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The Pad GT Pro houses a 40,000mm square thermal dissipation system to keep these beefy specs cooled. It is equipped with a heatsink to maintain temperature during heavy use, making it suitable for gaming. The device runs on macOS 8.0, based on Android 14. It is backed by a 10,150 mAh battery that supports 66-watt supercharge, ensuring quick and efficient charging. For photography, the Honor Pad GT Pro has a 13-megapixel rear camera with an f2.0 aperture, while the front features a 9-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture. In terms of connectivity, the tablet offers Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB Type-C port, making it a versatile choice for work and entertainment. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.